Hey guys, it's Arcky from Syntixis and welcome back to another episode of Xeno2Mods. You can still download this pack in the description, of course. What we did in the last time, we got to defeat the Frieza in his final form, which is just the same, actually. No. Look at Piccolo. No, Piccolo.
No way. Fine. I'll just kill you all.
No. Damn. Here it comes. Why? That's Mad Goku. Goku's Rage, bird of a Super Saiyan.
That's enough, Frieza. Now
Whoa. Let's go. You know what? We're also going to be really mad. I also want to go Super Saiyan. Come on, Frieza. Hit me. Frieza. Hit me.
I still have some control over myself. Go now.
Yes, thank you, Dad.
Come on, Frieza. Hit me.
I'll be waiting for you to come back.
I know what you have done. Who are you?
Can you just...
No.
Frieza is just ignoring me?
And I came here to beat you. The anger you caused me has awakened the legendary warrior in my heart.
There we go. This is also Super Saiyan. But Goku looks so much better in Super Saiyan. Well, we finished it. What? What?
What's a monster? You've reached a level any Saiyan would dream of.
Well, next time we will have the final battle, I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure about that. I'm pretty sure. So, I'm going to end here, and thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did, make sure you smash the like button, comment anything below, subscribe for more, and we'll see you guys in the next one. I'm Arcky from Syntixis, and I'm signing out.